The morning sun streamed through the classroom windows as Yulius took his seat, gently placing his small backpack under the desk. He was wearing his favorite blue hoodie, soft and comfortable, and his eyes sparkled with curiosity as he looked around. Something about today felt special, like he was about to learn something important. At the front of the room stood Ms. Clara, calm and welcoming as always. Her warm smile made the classroom feel safe and cozy. She waited until everyone settled, then held up a big picture of a smiling tooth. "Good morning, everyone," she said gently. "Today, we're going to talk about something you all do every day but maybe haven't thought much about." Yulius leaned forward. Leo stopped swinging his legs. Amina folded her hands neatly. Mateo tilted his head, curious. Ms. Clara asked softly, "Why do we brush our teeth?" The room filled with thoughtful silence. "To make them shiny," Mateo guessed, "so they don't hurt." Amina added. Ms. Clara nodded. "Those are good answers. Let's discover why together." She pointed to the picture of the tooth. "Our teeth help us chew food, speak clearly, and smile with confidence. But tiny things live in our mouths, so small we can't see them." Julius's eyes widened. "Tiny things, yes," Ms. Clara said kindly. "They're called germs and bacteria. They love leftover food, especially sugary bits." She drew a simple tooth on the board and added tiny dots around it. "When we eat, small pieces of food can stay on our teeth. Germs eat that food and make something sticky called plaque." The word sounded funny to Julius. "Plaque," Ms. Clara explained. "Plaque is soft at first, but if we don't brush it away, it becomes hard and can hurt our teeth." She showed another picture this time, of a sad tooth with dark spots. "That's how cavities start." Julius touched his own teeth gently. He didn't like the idea of sad teeth, so brushing helps. Leo asked. "Yes," Ms. Clara said. "Brushing is like giving your teeth a bath." She held up a big toothbrush model and pretended to brush carefully. The bristles sweep away food and plaque. Toothpaste helps, too. It makes teeth stronger and keeps germs from growing. Julius smiled. He liked that brushing was helping his teeth be strong. Ms. Clara continued. "We brush in the morning to clean away germs that grew overnight. And we brush before bed because germs love quiet, sleepy mouths." The class giggled softly. "Now, Ms. Clara said, let's talk about how to brush." She demonstrated slow, gentle circles, not too fast, not too hard. "We brush the front, the back, and the tops of our teeth. And don't forget your tongue yet likes a gentle clean too." Amina nodded seriously. Mateo pretended to brush in the air. Ms. Clara added, "We brush for about 2 minutes, long enough to clean every tooth." Julius imagined his toothbrush moving carefully, tooth by tooth, like a helper on an important job. Then Ms. Clara asked, "How do your teeth feel after brushing?" "Smooth," Julius said happily. "Fresh," Leo added. "That's because clean teeth are healthy teeth," Ms. Clara said. "Healthy teeth help us eat, talk, laugh, and smile." She showed pictures of foods: apples, carrots, bread. Strong teeth help us enjoy food, but brushing also helps keep our gums healthy and our breath fresh. Julius thought about smiling big without worrying. Ms. Clara then shared something important. "When we take care of our teeth every day, we're learning how to take care of our bodies. That's called responsibility." The word sounded grown-up, but Julius liked it. "Brushing your teeth is something you can do," she said gently. "Even when a grown-up helps, you are learning an important habit." The class practiced together, pretending to brush slowly while Ms. Clara counted. Everyone laughed quietly, but they focused too. As the lesson ended, Ms. Clara smiled. "Tonight, when you brush your teeth, remember you're helping your body stay healthy and strong." The bell rang softly. Julius packed his backpack, thinking about tiny germs, shiny teeth, and his toothbrush waiting at home. He felt proud, knowing that brushing wasn't just a rule, it was a way to take care of himself. As he walked out of the classroom, he smiled wide, already imagining his teeth feeling clean, happy, and strong.